Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you that how to invite collaborators on your Instagram account. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to go to your Instagram application and you have to make sure that your account is not private from your settings. So once you go to the settings and you have to go to the privacy, so make sure that your account is not private. Like my account is private right now, so you have to make sure that your account is not private to invite collaborators in your Instagram account. So after that, what you have to do, you have to go to the post and you have to just share any post from this. So once you click on the post, for example this is the post, and you have to click it on the check, and after that you can see this tag people option here. Once you click on the tag people, you will find the invite collaborators option here. My account is private right now, so that's why the option is not showing here, but you have to make sure that your account is not private. So you will find an invite collaborator option here. So from here you can invite whoever you want. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Thank you so much.